To customize Pixelate for the home screen, if you long press on the empty space and we go into the wallpaper and style, we can then change our wallpaper here and also the color of parts of the operating system. We can also turn on or off the themed icons, but this just selects the app icons to have the same color scheme as what you select here. We can also customize the size of the app grid. And if we go to lock screen here, we can change our lock screen wallpaper. If you tap the toggle for clock color and size, then you can change the color of this clock and then the size of it as well. You can also have the always on display, so this will always show. And to do this, head into settings and then scroll down until you see display. And in this one, if you scroll down and select the lock screen, then scroll down again and you see always show time and info, turn this on, and then you will have the always on display here as well. And in this display settings, you can change display size and text and your navigation type as well.